Hello.
Hello, Mr. Ryan, are you alright? So today we talk about removing the elements in the array, okay? Removing the elements in the array. So given a number, a list of number 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I given a list of numbers and then I want you to remove a target. Target, let's say target equals to in place. What's in place? What does this in place mean?
In place.
In place. What's in place mean?
It means it's in place.
What's in place?
In place means it's in place.
I know, but can you describe it using other words?
It's in the right place.
Can you describe it without using the in and place?
So it's in the place. It's
No
in the
place.
where it is.
No place. Describe the same purpose.
It's impossible.
In. No. Okay. Without creating additional space.
I know,
Okay,
I know.
that's what it means. In place.
It's where it goes.
So I want to remove the 2. I want to remove the 2, right? Okay, so I want to remove the 2. And now I don't want to create an additional copy of it, of this array. Okay, so after removing.
And that gives me an idea. So you just go through the thing and just cross through the ones through the target.
Yes, okay, so now that will become 1, 4, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and there are 2.
11, 12, 13,
And then there are
14,
3. You can put the numbers at the end, right? Or we don't care about all the numbers at the end of this point, right?
Yeah.
So, but you need to tell me it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, Ryan, what is this function returning? Is you need to tell me the new list, the length of the new list after removing the target. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 numbers in the array, and then there are 3 targets to remove. Array.
Yeah.
And then what happened after we remove 3 out of 5?
And then return the length of the thing.
Which is
5.
5. And then here.
4.
Okay, so any idea how we doing this?
Oh, the one I just told you.
What?
You just go through the thing and just cross it.
How can we cross it?
Oh, we just delete it.
How do we delete it?
By moving it to the end.
Moving it to the end,
With
yes.
the
Right.
2-pointer.
How do we use the 2-pointer to move it?
So we first look through the element and find the target, and then you use the 2-pointer and you go to the end and swap it.
Well done. Okay, so look,
and
I'm
then
here.
You keep on going.
Keep on going. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Look, let's do this. Okay. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Let's say 2, 2, 2. Okay. So I'm pointer at here, right? That's the right pointer, right hand pointer. Okay, and then I'm left hand pointer here. Okay, left hand pointer is 1. It's not the target we are looking for. That's right. 2. Okay. So what happened at this case?
We swap it
Swap it with the 5, yeah?
with J.
With R here, right? Okay. So we swap it. What happened? So I swap it. So after I swap it, I know the value at the pointer right hand is the one we don't want it, right? So we can decrement 1, right? Alright? So what should we do with the R after we swap it? I just said. Decrement, yeah. Okay, so look, I swap it here, 5, 2. So this is the number we want to discard, right? So we decrement the counter here. And then 5, yeah? 5. Okay, we want to keep the 5. 2, what happened? Can you tell me what happened?
We move it to the second.
To the R here, right? So swap it. So let here, 4, 2,
and then
and then I need to decrement here. And then 4, and what happened?
target.
I swap it with these 2 numbers, yeah? So 3 and 2. Okay, and then now I meet each other. So the return this, yeah? The error is here. Got it? So do you see one problem with this?
No, in order.
Well done, not in order, right? Not in order. Because we swap it, it will be not in order. And we can also do it within order. So how can we do this in order?
We just
Let's see.
take away it.
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so because we are doing in place, let's put it in the same place. Okay, so we have a counter to put. We have an index, a location. Let's say we have a location J. This will give us the position where we can put the elements. Yeah, we want to keep the element. Yeah, and if it's not look 1. Okay, 1 is the value we want to keep. So J equals 0. So I put it at here, right? So I overwrite it here. So 1, 2. We want to skip these 2. We want to skip these 2. So we don't increment the J, right? 3. Yeah, the bound value. So what's the J? J will be 1, yeah? 1 will be, I put it here 3, and then J will be, the next one will be 2, right? Next one will be 2, so I plus 1 here. 4, yeah?
Plus
We want to,
1.
I will put it in here, and plus 1. 2,
No.
skip. 5, yeah?
Plus
5 plus 1. 6 plus 1, yeah? Yeah, easy, yeah? So we use one pointer to, and then we return this J, right? Because J is the index that we are.
J is 4.
Yeah, because after plus 1 it will be 5, okay? Okay, let's do this. Define, remove, nums, target. Okay, J equals 0 for I in nums. If the numbers are not the target we want to remove, we want to keep it, right? So now we put it at J, right? So nums J equals what?
Equals
Equals what?
nums
I, because I is not index, is the value, okay? And then once we put it, J what? J what? J what?
J minus.
No,
J
no,
plus
plus
equals.
equal 1. Remember this is that. And then return what?
Return J.
Return J, yeah. What's the time complexity?
I1. No, I1.
ON. What's the space complexity?
I.
We are calling in place. Yeah, in place.
What? I1.
Oh, 1. Okay, so this is there. And then how about? So this problem is that this solution is that we keep the elements in order, right? We're not swapping it to the end. Yeah. Remember the first one we swapping it to the end. Okay. So how do we swap it to the end? So we have a left pointer and a right pointer. Left pointer is the beginning at 0. The right pointer is at the end, which is length lambs minus 1. Okay. While left is smaller than equal than right. Okay. What happened? Look. If nums L equals target, this okay. Now we are moving we are swapping, right? So what? Nums L, nums R equals. We want to swap these two. Yeah. How do we swap A and B? How do we swap A and B? AB equals what?
BB equals.
How do we swap the value? Swap the value.
Nums
Yeah,
nums
BA.
R
Yeah.
equals nums R nums L.
Okay, so this is the Python way to swap two variables A and B. Okay, if I don't need, if you can't write it something like that, Eric. AB equals BA. It's the same. You want to T equals A equals B, and B equals what?
T.
Well done. Why do we need a T here?
Tab apt. Tab apt.
Why do we need to save the value of A? Because A I assign it to B, and B needs assigned to what? To the original value of A, which is saved in T, right? Got it? So can you tell me what happened? What's this? B equals. What's the problem of this? If I want to swap A and B, A equals B, B equals A. What happened? Are these going to work? Is this going to work? Is this going to work?
Yeah.
No,
No. Why? Why no?
because it'll both.
Be the same.
Yeah.
Look, I can show you. Look, 3 and 5. Okay. A equals 3, B equals 5. A equals B, then what?
5.
5. And B equals A, or 5, right? Yeah? So this is not the same as, look, if I do this, A is 3, B is 5. And then T equals A, which is T equals 3, yeah? A equals B, 5. A equals B, yeah? And B equals T. You see? 5, 3. Got it? Yeah? I use a variable to save the original, right? Because this is the default, yeah? This will not work. But in Python, you can do this. A, comma B equals B, comma A. Okay? That's simple, yeah? Okay, so numbers L, numbers R equals what? I want to swap it. Nums R and nums L, yeah? And then once I swap it, I need to decrement R, right? Minus equal 1, okay? And else what happens? If nums L not equals T, then what should we do with the left pointer?
L plus equals 1.
Where the
And then return.
return what?
Return
Return
L.
L, yeah? Return
L.
L. Yeah?
L.
Got it? This is the two pointer
L.
thing, yeah? Make sense? Is it? Does it make sense? Yeah? Does it make sense? Yeah? Make sense, yeah?
Boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay. Okay, let's say I'm going to. Which method you think you will remember? This one or the previous one?
This one.
This one? Your choice. I'm going to erase this, okay, anyway. Okay. Okay, so here.
That's impossible.
Come on, it's easy.
No, it isn't.
Remember, one.
Okay.
You try to remember, what happened if we
If
move.
nums I equals to value.
Eric, you want to help Didi?
If
Deny.
If what?
No.
Nums L. That pointer
L equals R.
equal what? Equal
R.
target. If it equals target, right?
R.
Target. Equal target. And what happened? Don't bite it. Come on.
I'm not biting it.
Okay. Then what do
I'm
it?
just putting it.
Yeah.
Nums L.
And you want to swap the value of nums L. Why you forget this? Yeah. And then what?
R
Nums R. Okay. Nums R. Okay. Equal what?
equals nums L R.
Nums
No.
R. Yeah.
Num
Pink.
R R
R. Yeah. And nums.
L.
Yeah. L. I know what happened. After this, what happened? Come on. What happened? After if you swap it.
There'll be paper.
Ryan, Eric, what happened if I swap the left to the end?
Oh,
Wait, no.
is it-
Wait,
is
R minus equals 1. L plus equals 1 and then return L, which is
Else
only
what?
the
L is what?
L
L what?
plus equals.
Plus equal 1. Okay, that's it for today. Good job. Bye bye.
1. Wait. 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Bye bye.
Boy.
The same complexity, yeah? O n, right?
And
Okay.
then 1.
O1 space.